Thank you. Happy?
Yes. Give me some feedback.
Yeah. No problem.
Yeah, tell me something maybe I can share with some people ask me questions or what are some of your students' feedback or perspective?
Yeah.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah. No, I think with this course, it's good to kind of just gauge your knowledge. People ask why do you do a structured course? You know, you can get information from books, you can get information online and stuff like that. Why do a specific course? But it's good to gauge your knowledge, to see if you're thinking about things correctly, understand the concepts, and then create the building blocks so that you have a sound foundation on which you're building everything. Vice, getting a whole bunch of information and thinking that you understand things, but then you learn the hard way that you really didn't understand it the way. So I like that protection in the sense that now I can really test my knowledge from the information that we're learning with the exercises, with the quizzes, being able to interact, being able to ask questions. I think that's the real value of doing this course versus doing something else.
Okay, thank you. So you're thinking whatever you learn is going to be actually going to be able to apply or to your training?
Oh yeah, absolutely. And I think even just being in this course, because as I mentioned, I've been in the market before. I've had exposure to the market and investing. I had a little bit of fear though, because I'm missing with some gaps in my knowledge, made some fundamental errors on the market, and have had this huge fear to kind of get back into the market the way that I was. But now being in this course, learning from yourself, seeing the different techniques and fundamentals that are available, even just with stocks level 1 and options level 1. Now I'm exposing myself to the market in terms of the knowledge. I told you there, like I've applied that already to my mutual funds that I do have managed for me in terms of how my portfolio looks. And then I'm also now exposed to stocks on a level where I have a much better understanding of what I'm looking at. And now I can bring options into that investment strategy as well.
Is there something in particular that you really enjoy in this course?
I like my aha moment. I like my aha moments with stocks, understanding the whole IPO process, like really getting a better grasp of bid and ask, lot sizes, excise date.
Exercise?
No, for, oh my gosh.
For stock one?
No, for the dividends, the
ex-dividend date?
Yeah, ex-dividend date, exactly. The ex-dividend date, what that means, and how dividends are paid out. For options, understanding the difference between calls and puts, like just to build that knowledge in an environment where you're able to interact and kind of learn it the way that your brain understands it, and having those aha moments. I think that was what I really enjoyed about the course.
Thank you. And I think also the environment with your peers, I think that was also something very...
Yeah, exactly. It was fun. You're learning, but you're interacting, you're relaxed. So the brain is more open, whereas, if sometimes you feel stressed, like I'm not getting an actual mark for this. It's not going on my transcript or anything like that. But, I'm going to use these tools and apply them in real life. But just being in an environment where you're relaxed, you can interact with people, it just opens the brain up. I think my retention off this course was very high, but that was because the environment was right.
Thank you. Thank you very much for all the feedback.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it. And let's stay in touch.
Yeah, absolutely. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the next courses and just learning more. And I've also learned to take it one step at a time, because I think if you try to go too fast, you can really confuse yourself. So, all right, my friend, take it easy.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.